Did you know that ginger has been used for over 5,000 years to treat everything from inflammation to nausea? This ancient root isn't just a spice, it's a powerhouse of health benefits that could transform your life. Let's explore how. Ginger, it's probably sitting in your kitchen right now, waiting to be grated into your favorite dish. But did you know this humble root is one of the most versatile tools for improving your health? From boosting immunity to easing digestion, ginger has earned its reputation as both a culinary staple and a medicinal marvel. In today's video, we're diving into how ginger can revolutionize your well-being, and by the end, you'll see why adding it to your daily routine is a game changer. Let's face it, modern life comes with its fair share of challenges. Many of us struggle with chronic inflammation, linked to diseases like arthritis, diabetes, and even heart issues. Digestive problems, bloating, indigestion, and nausea are common complaints. Low energy and fatigue, busy schedules and poor nutrition leave many of us feeling drained. If you've experienced any of these issues, you're not alone. The good news? Ginger might be the natural remedy you've been looking for. But why ginger, and how can it help? Let's find out. Now, let's break down some of the most surprising health benefits of ginger and how it works. Anti-inflammatory properties. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols, which are natural anti-inflammatories. Studies have shown it helps reduce symptoms of arthritis and joint pain. Imagine easing inflammation naturally, without relying solely on medication. Digestive aid. Ginger has long been used to combat nausea and indigestion. It's particularly effective for motion sickness, morning sickness during pregnancy, and even chemotherapy-induced nausea. Antioxidant effects. Ginger is packed with antioxidants that help combat oxidative stress, which can lead to premature aging and chronic disease. Adding ginger to your diet can boost your body's natural defenses. Immune booster. Ginger's antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties help strengthen your immune system, making it easier to fight off colds and infections. A simple ginger tea can work wonders when you're feeling under the weather. Energy and metabolism support. Ginger stimulates circulation and can give you a natural energy boost. It's also been shown to support metabolism, making it a great addition to weight management plans. The versatility of ginger makes it a must-have, whether in teas, smoothies, or even as a seasoning in your meals. Let me share a personal story that shows just how transformative ginger can be. Meet Sarah, a working mum who suffered from chronic fatigue and digestive issues for years. She tried various supplements and treatments with little success. Then, on a recommendation, she started incorporating fresh ginger into her daily routine, starting her mornings with ginger tea and adding it to her meals. Within weeks, she noticed significant changes. Her bloating and indigestion disappeared. She had more energy throughout the day, no longer relying on caffeine to stay awake. Even her joint pain, something she had learned to live with, started to fade. Sarah's story is just one of many examples of how this simple root can make a profound difference. So, what makes ginger so extraordinary? Its ability to fight inflammation, improve digestion, boost immunity, and increase energy levels makes it a true superfood. Whether you're dealing with chronic health issues or just looking to enhance your well-being, ginger is a powerful, natural solution. The best part? It's affordable, widely available, and easy to incorporate into your daily routine. What's your experience with ginger? Have you tried it for any of the benefits we talked about today? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're interested in more tips on healthy living, check out my next video on natural remedies that can transform your lifestyle. See you there.